of a student's NoodleTools that has completed everything that they're supposed to. So in here, they have all their sources that they have saved, and I can also see their note cards. When I look into their note cards, I see that they have all of their note cards appropriately labeled. So they're making sure they have everything in there. So for instance, I see they have their source length, they have their direct quote from the source, and they have it written in their own words. So I see symptoms, so this would be how the body is affected. That looks good. I see a little bit of more information. So some people added additional note cards to add more information than what was in the base knowledge, which was exactly what we wanted to do if we had more time for our presentation. So we have the cause listed right there from that source linked about if it's contagious, again, in their own words, how the body is affected, again, so more symptoms. We have the prevention, they have treatments that are available. So all of these things, they have a note card for each one. So each topic that they had, those bullet points labeled in the research timeline, is a separate note card. So making sure you're checking your note cards, making sure each note card has an appropriate title. So your title should be related to the bullet points laid out in the research timeline for your chosen topic. There should be a source linked. You should have a direct quote, and you should have the quote reworded to be in your own words here. Remember, rewording does not mean just changing one or two words here or there. It means you're taking your idea and telling me how would you explain this to a 4th or 5th grader in ways that it's easy for you to understand, not necessarily just listing the whole thing that you got from the quote. That's what I really like about this one here. It has a little quote here, and then they explain what it looks like. So they're taking all that information, putting it into their own words. So that's the important part, because once you put it into your own words, you can easily put that paraphrase or your summary into your presentation.